Hey! Betty and I are having a competition. Do you want to help out?
We're going rafting down the river to find bugs for Dawn's collection.
And whoever finds the most bugs wins!
Click or tap the top button if you want to play by yourself.
Alrighty then, we're in the river. Before we start, do you remember how to paddle? Your raft has 2 paddles, one on each side. These buttons control your paddles. Press one button to paddle on one side and make the raft turn. Press them both at the same time to move forward. Try paddling around here in the calm water until you got it. When you are ready, collect all the butterflies to start the race, or press the play button. When the race starts, collect as many insects as you can. Whoever gets the most by the time we reach the end of the river wins! Ready, set, go! Insects don't have bones like you and me. Some, like beetles, have hard outer coverings called exoskeletons. Whoa! A whirlpool! Did you know insects don't breathe through their mouths? Instead, they breathe through openings on their body called spiracles.
Sandbars are habitats for many plants and creatures that are specialized for living in the water.
As the river flows downhill, sometimes they flow steeply enough to make big waves and even waterfall. Over time, rivers change the land by carving new paths for themselves.
Hey look! Rapids!
A river like this starts as a tiny stream made of rainwater.
Nice try, but it looks like I found more insects. Want to race again? Click or tap here if you want to play again. Or click or tap here to try a different game.